What are replacement reserves? It's money set aside each year for the big repairs a building will eventually need. Think about it. A roof doesn't fail every year, but once or twice a generation, it has to be replaced, and that bill is enormous. Same with parking lots, HVAC systems, and elevators. These are called capital expenditures, big, lumpy, occasional costs. Replacement reserves smooth them out. Instead of getting blindsided by a $100,000 roof, you quietly set aside money every year so the cash is there when the day comes. Here's the catch that traps new investors. Reserves are usually not in the NOI. NOI counts only operating expenses, not these capital costs. So a property can show a beautiful net operating income and still bleed cash once you fund real reserves. Lenders know this. Many require you to fund a reserve account every month as a condition of the loan. For triple net investors, who pays for the roof, you or the tenant, depends on the lease. Always budget reserves and read who owns the big-ticket repairs. This is educational, not investment advice. Always review the lease and budget with a qualified professional.